Stop doing this if you want to catch more bass. Mistake number 1 is fishing too fast. Bass aren't always chasing. Slow it down and let that lure sit. Mistake number 2 is ignoring cover. Bass hide in cover. If you're not casting near structures, you're missing fish. Mistake number 3 is using the wrong lure. Match the conditions. Top water in the morning, soft plastics when it's tough. Fix these and you'll catch way more bass. Follow for more fishing tips.